I never used to think twice about travel insurance. I mean, who does, right? You buy it, you forget it, and you go on your trip. It seemed like just another thing to check off the list before heading off to some sunny beach or bustling city. But I learned the hard way that not all travel insurance policies are created equal. It all started last year when I booked a dream vacation to Bali. I had everything planned out: the flights, the hotel, the activities. It was going to be perfect. I was ready to let go of all the stress and soak in the sun. And then, 2 days before my flight, I got the call. My mom had fallen ill. Really ill. I won't go into the details, but it was serious enough that I knew I needed to stay home. My heart dropped. I had no idea what to do. I'd already paid for the flights, the hotel, everything. I didn't want to cancel everything, but I knew family had to come first. So I called the insurance company. I thought, this is what I'm paying for, right? To protect me from these unexpected things. The representative was friendly, but she gave me the bad news. My policy didn't cover trip cancellations due to family emergencies. I was stunned. I had read through the policy, sure, but I didn't catch the small print. It seemed like something I wouldn't even need to worry about, but there it was, buried in the details. That was the first emotional blow. I started thinking, why did I even buy this in the first place if it doesn't cover something this important? So I had to make the tough choice. I canceled the trip, but I was left with a ton of non-refundable costs. It stung. It wasn't just the money, it was the feeling of being blindsided. I learned a valuable lesson that day. Always, always check the fine print. Because it's not just about the price or what's advertised. It's about knowing exactly what's covered and what's not. Since then, I've made it a point to really dig into the details of every insurance policy I purchase, no matter what. It takes a little extra time, but it's worth it. Now, when I book travel, I always ask questions. I make sure I understand the coverage inside and out. And if I'm not sure, I'll call the insurance company and get everything clarified. But here's the trick I've learned. Not all insurance companies are created equal. That's when I found Auras.insure. It wasn't just another generic insurance provider. It was one that actually gave me peace of mind. I've used it since that trip, and they've always been transparent. They lay everything out clearly, with no hidden clauses. They've been a lifesaver for me, and have kept me from ever being caught off guard again. And no, I'm not here to sell you anything. This is just a personal travel insurance hack I genuinely trust. So if you're planning your next adventure, don't forget to check the fine print. It could make all the difference. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.